In this video, we'll take a look at the code for the crocodile from the ROBOTIS DREAM II Level 2 kit and learn how it works. For help getting set up with the crocodile, be sure to check out the previous video in this series. We're going to start by pulling up the example code in R+Task 2.0. The green lines with two slashes are comments, which the computer ignores. They're basically a way for programmers to leave notes for themselves. When the program starts, this code under Start Program runs first. The buzzer timer counts down while the melody plays. This wait while command ensures that nothing happens until the timer reaches 0. Next, the controller runs this endless loop. That means the code between these curly braces will run over and over again until the controller is turned off. This code under the if statement only runs if the left IR sensor and the right IR sensor are outputting values greater than 150. These two ampersands mean AND. If I were to change them to two vertical bars, the code would run if either the left or the right IR sensor was reading greater than 150, because the two vertical bars mean OR. So the structure of an if statement is if this condition is met, then this code runs. Now this else statement is executed if the condition in the if statement is not met. So in this case, if the IR sensors are not both above 150, the if statement's code is not run, and the else statement's code is run instead. Now you might be wondering what all these calls are. These are calling functions. A function is a block of code that in this case is included at the end of the program. So when a program calls stop, it runs this function called stop down here, and that function sets the speed of the wheels to 0. Now that we understand how the code works, let's go through it one more time so we can see what the crocodile is programmed to do. When we turn the crocodile on, the program waits while its startup melody is played. Then it runs the endless loop. If the sensors in the crocodile's mouth don't detect anything, it alternates between moving fast and slow using this function. If there is something in its mouth, it stops and closes its mouth for 1.536 seconds. Then it opens its mouth and waits another 0.64 seconds before continuing. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we'll learn how to modify the code in R+Task 2.0 to make the crocodile do whatever we want.